Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. Today I have a beautiful 2012 CVO Ultra Classic. I forget the name of these paint colors. Pretty sure it's sterling silver, something fancy for the blue, and then you got the yellow stripe on there. Either way, always been a really popular paint job. We've had a few of these. They usually don't sit around too long. This bike, being a CVO, it already came from the factory kind of decked out, but this one has had quite a bit of stuff added to it. It does have the factory GPS system that came with these. Got this nice little shield over it to keep the sun off of it, make it easier to see. They've got this vented windshield on here. You can kind of open and close this vent. It's real nice. Got different grips. Pretty sure those are different footboards and brake pedal from what came on this stock. Got the nice Vance & Hines X-pipe with some Vance & Hines slip-ons, so it sounds really good. That 110 cubic inch twin cam's a good sounding motor anyway. The highway pegs, all the chrome. Cosmetically, the bike is not perfect. It's been ridden. It's got some dings and scuffs and stuff on it. Nothing major. This is definitely a bike that's been traveled with and ridden. Got the heated seat. Really love this paint color. Tires are in great shape. Of course, it's been fully inspected and gone through in our shop. We've made sure everything's good to go on it. Making sure it's in running order for you. Seat's got a little bit of a tear in there. It does have 66,000 miles, but the bike still runs perfect.